Have you heard about the Igbo artifacts known as the Igbo bronze, which dates to the 9th century? Well, if you've not heard of it, there's a particular artifact that has drawings of both a man and a woman that I'm about to explain what is actually involved in that artifact, or what that artifact is trying to tell us. First of all, the transcription of the words in Igbo bronze emerged as Garamarag Mama came, which in Malayalam means Garama, the mother tongue of Cain. Have in mind that Cain is the father of the African race. So these letters surrounded a male and a female figure, which are in the Igbo bronze that I'm about to show you, and it is suspected that they are both the Ham